Hey, we're preparing to start Social Media Masterclass. Now, what is it? For anybody who hasn't attended before, anybody who's new, or if you happen to be a referral partner, that this was sent to you, this invitation was sent to you by an AFN employee, here's what it is. We are going to go through and teach you from the very beginnings on how to set up your profiles, why it matters, what the algorithm hacks are, into how to use this for business, how to gain more business, where to get more business from, where your customer is sitting at, where your home seller, where any of your customers are sitting at. And we want to welcome you to this. But this one's going to be a little bit different.
So we're going to start with the basics. A lot of people have their profiles locked down so hardcore, and they're sales professionals, and they don't realize how this is actually hurting them. We are going to show you the steps to take to open up your profile so that you are in front of the correct audience. We're going to go through your settings and your contact information so that the right buyers can come to you and they can see you on your social media.
We're going to talk about some things you truly need to pay attention to. Now, there's 3 of these things that are mandatory, and I want you to think about that going forward every single day in everything that you post moving forward, no matter what it is. I want you to talk about intent. I want you to think about intent. What is the reason I'm putting this post up? Am I trying to get more customers? Am I trying to get more views?
Why are you posting something? Have you ever really thought about it? Are you just kind of throwing up on your audience, or are you actually posting with intention? We're going to really talk about kind of the psychology behind social media.
What is the reason that I'm putting this information out? Content. Content is almost as important as the next one. Content is something that will make or break you. What is it that you're putting out there? What message are you putting out there? What videos are you putting out there? Are you putting out videos? Are you putting out graphics? What is it in your content? Would you watch it? Would you pay attention to it? Would you interact with it? Most of the time what you'll find is when you put up corporate graphics, when you put up graphics that are just bought or taken from somewhere else, you get no interaction with it. It's because it's bad content. Nobody can relate to that, not even you.
So many people do this incorrectly. They think, I'm a real estate agent, or I'm a loan officer. I need to post about mortgage. Guess what? Mortgages aren't sexy, and you don't need one until you need one.
We're going to teach you how to read the algorithms, what the algorithms are, why they matter so much, and how to pay attention to them when your post goes from no likes to hundreds of likes, when your videos go from thousands of views down to hundreds of views. We're going to explain to you the reasons why and what to look for and how to pay attention to the algorithms, because they change, and they change dramatically, sometimes on a daily basis, but at least a weekly, monthly basis.
We're going to really get into it and talk to you about all the ins and outs of what's going on in social media today and how you can get your market share.
We're going to show you proven techniques that are updated up to the moment that we present it to you. All of these things are researched, they're looked at, they're tested, and we have people that are actually using them and working and dominating with them.
This is an AFN exclusive. No one else is doing this. We say that proudly. This is what we do. We want you to do more business and utilize social media the correct way. Can't wait to see you there. Invite all of your referral partners. See you soon.
Hey, I'm Johnny Fowler, Vice President, Business Development for AFN. My job is for you to have to write such a massive check to the IRS that you're so pissed off that you remember my name forever.